seat, kick up your feet until you feel the snow, till that cold old winter drives your body back in. If you want to climb that mountain, but you can't walk that far, if you find yourself shivering and you're wishing that you drove your car, if you feel all of the whiskers all freezing on your chin, let that cold old winter drive your body back in. As high as I dare to go, but I can plant my garden and watch my garden grow, thinking about all the good old souls who say that I'm looking so thin, when that cold old winter drives your body back in. Now I'm about to fasten up all these locks, I'm gonna pour myself a cup of tea, I'm gonna put on my thick wool socks, sing this song with me. Do 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 do. Up on the ridge, bring your little kids and watch that tide go. Lay out in the sun and tan your skin. Mama, take a seat, kick up your feet